While kings conquered empires with swords, I conquered the world with a single glance. Beauty was never a vanity to me, it was my power. Are you ready to learn the ancient secrets that made me immortal?
She captivated the most powerful men in Rome, Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. But Cleopatra's real power wasn't just in her politics, it was in her legendary beauty. For centuries we've wondered, how did the Queen of the Nile maintain flawless skin in the harsh Egyptian sun? Today we're raiding the tomb of ancient secrets to bring you Cleopatra's ultimate beauty routine that you can actually use in 2026. Secret number 1, the milk and honey bath. The most famous of all her secrets? The donkey milk bath. Legend says she needed 700 donkeys to provide enough milk for her daily soak. Why? Because milk is rich in lactic acid. In modern terms, she was using a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, to chemically exfoliate her skin. It dissolved dead skin cells, leaving her glowing. Pro tip for you: you don't need 700 donkeys. Adding 2 cups of whole milk or goat milk and half a cup of honey to your warm bath will give you that same royal glow and baby soft skin. Secret number 2, sea salt and scented oils. Cleopatra didn't stop at soaking. She was the queen of exfoliation. She used dead sea salt as a natural scrub. Unlike regular salt, dead sea salt is packed with magnesium and minerals that detoxify the skin. She would follow this up with rose water, which we still use today as a toner, and essential oils like frankincense and myrrh to seal in moisture and smell like a goddess. These oils aren't just for scent, they have incredible anti-aging properties. Secret number 3, the iconic gaze, kohl. We can't talk about Cleopatra without that iconic winged eyeliner. She used kohl, but it wasn't just for drama. The lead-based minerals in ancient kohl actually protected her eyes from infections and the glaring desert sun. While we've traded lead for safer eyeliners today, the cat eye remains the most timeless makeup trend in history. It started in Alexandria, and it's still ruling the runways in New York. Cleopatra's beauty wasn't about vanity, it was about ritual and self-care. Which of these ancient secrets are you going to try tonight? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty history and modern glow-up tips. Stay royal.